Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change your Instagram username on your laptop or desktop. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Instagram, then sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand menu and click on Profile. On your profile page, click Edit Profile. Now, go to Account Center. This is where Instagram manages your account settings. Select your Instagram account, then tap on Username. Here you can type in the new username you want to use. As you type, Instagram will automatically check if the username is available. If it's already taken, you'll need to try a different one. Once you find an available username, click Done to save your changes. Your new username will update instantly, and that's what people will use to find and tag you. One quick tip: changing your username too often can confuse your followers, so make sure you pick something you're happy with. And that's it. That's how you change your Instagram username on a laptop. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials.